Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Loolinn drone for kids and adults, of course. It's a mini drone for indoor use. It is an RC drone with automatic anti-collision technology, and this sounds great. And it looks great too, as you can see in that video here. 360 degrees flip able, hand controlled mode. You do not have to use the remote for this. The remote is only for the height. And then you can hand control this device. Awesome. I think it's really awesome. And with 30 minutes of flight time, because there are 3 batteries included. Awesome, isn't it? It's a great outer anti-collision technology built in. Infrared sensors built in that automatically keep the drone from crashing into walls. Televisions or people, of course, avoiding any breakages. That's awesome, really. Up to 30 minutes of flight time. This nice drone comes with 3 upgraded batteries, and these are LiPo batteries that are good and awesome state-of-the-art batteries. Its total flight time can be up to 30 minutes, while other similar drones are only 20 minutes. That's right, I have a couple of drones, and the most of them comes with 1 battery for approximately 10 up to 15 minutes of flight time. It is flight times increasing by 40% because of the 3 LiPo batteries. And it's safe. All the propellers are fully covered by a durable shell for our safety. There is no worry of injuries to small fingers. It is safe to play for kids and all other guys out there. And it's really easy to fly, as you can see. It's very simple to set up and easy to fly. So we can let our kids have a good time without any worries whatever. Also, it can fly without the controller and be controlled just by our hands. Very easy to fly and so much fun. Really nice and tiny and cute drone here. This is a drone designed for kids over 5 years. It will be a great gift for Christmas. What are the advantages of the kids drone? First step is great anti-collision technology. The fantastic thing about this drone is that it comes with an auto anti-collision technology that will automatically keep it from crashing into walls or obstacles, televisions or other objects, which is great for first-timers and kids as well. And the second thing is hand control mode. It is very easy to fly. We can let our kids, even without any drone flying experience, have a good time without any worries. Awesome. Also, it can fly without the controller and be controlled just by our hands. A self-flying toy drone. So much fun. And up to 30 minutes of flight time. 3 upgraded drone batteries are included. Its total flight time goes up to 30 minutes. Of course, you have to change the batteries after approximately 10 minutes, but the entire flight time will be 30 minutes. That's awesome. The battery voltage is 3.8 volt. The charging time of them are 90 minutes. And we have 3 batteries included. The battery capacity is 700 milliampere hours. And of course, you will need 4 AA batteries for the remote. Yeah. Flying speed, quick about 1.5 meter per second. And if you are switched to slow, it's about 1 meter per second. That's awesome, isn't it? Yeah. Of course, we have to look to our safety, because it's a drone. Please keep the small drone accessories out of reach of children. Only use it while you're watching them. That's a safety thing, okay? Then, this drone is very powerful. When flying for the first time, avoid sudden movement of the throttle. When ascending, push the throttle stick slowly up to avoid unintended damage or injuries. After flying, turn the transmitter before turning off the drone. That means first step, switch off the remote and then switch off the drone, of course. Do not keep the batteries in high temperature areas or near the heat sources. It is strongly recommended to operate the drone at 2 up to 3 meters away from a pilot and other people or animals. Crashes may cause unintended injuries. When landing the drone, avoid crashing it into other people. Adults or experienced RC pilots superiors is recommended for children. Non-rechargeable batteries should not be recharged. That is really important. If you are using non-rechargeable batteries in the remote, don't recharge them. Really awesome. It is a special 4-axis structure, fast and agile, suitable for flying in spacious indoor and, of course, outdoor areas. Built-in 6-axis gyroscope, barometer, and optical flow sensor ensure accurate position hold, and capable of doing 360 degrees stance, and headless mode for easy flying. The pressure fixed position hovering function for auto hover mode, and an auto takeoff and landing mode. That is easy and safe flying. And new additions obstacle avoiding function. And this I think is the awesome thing here you can see. Use clean and soft clothes to clean the product itself and keep away the product from heat sources. Avoid water exposures to this product. Moisture may cause damage of the aircraft electronic parts. It is not waterproof, so use it indoor or outdoor if it is not raining or snowing or stormy weather. Transformers used with the aircraft should be examined regularly, such as the cord, plug, enclosure and other parts. In case of any damage is found, stop using it and repair it first. Included in the box is the drone and transmitter, a remote, a user manual, 4 blades to replacement blades. If you have some damage, replace the blades easily. You have 2 USB chargers, awesome, and 3 lithium polymer batteries. To repair or maintain your device, open all screws and remove all screws and disassemble the top body, and then remove the screws of the blade, and then you can replace the blade. After this, reattach everything, job's done. And if we're going to use the drone, we have to replace the battery first. Make sure the drone is on a closed state, then open the battery cover. Then disconnect the battery plug and remove the battery itself. And then connect the USB port to our computers or to a smartphone power supply or something like this. And then it should be recharged. And if you are ready with that, you can attach a new battery, full battery. Okay, that's easy. And then we are on the way. The transmitters have some functions. Of course, in the center you have the on-off button. On the left side stick, then you can press the stick to enter the trim mode. Let the stick to exit trim mode, or to reset the trims, press the stick and turn on the transmitter. This will release all trim mode information, and it will reset them. The right stick, long press, will cause the drone to activate headless mode. Short press will cause the drone to change the speed mode. Easy going. You have more. On the upper side, you have the 3D stunt button and the auto take off and on landing button. This is in the front side. The 3D stand is on the rear side. Then you have to install 4 AA batteries into the remote. Job's done. We are ready to fly. Step 1 is turn on the transmitter by pushing the power button. Second step is turn on the drone. There is one button on the top side of it. Push it and hold it for approximately 1 second. And then everything is on. So Then move the left stick, this is the throttle stick, fully up and after fully down. The drone indicator light will turn solid glow, indicating the drone's ready to fly. And then prepare for flight. You have more than one method for that. The first thing is move the left stick, the throttle stick, fully up. After, let it come back to the middle and the engine will start spinning. Second thing, push both sticks at the same time, left stick to the bottom right corner and the right stick to the bottom left corner, and hold there for 1 second and the motor will start spinning. And the third method is place the drone on a flat level surface and after then press it is a button on the remote on the upper right side in the front. Then push them. Okay, easy. The drone will take off and hover at the present height. The motor will start spinning. Oh yeah, that's awesome. If the drone flies out of control range, the drone indicates lines will start flashing slowly, and after the drone will slowly descan. If the transmitter turns off, the transmitter battery runs low, the drone will slowly descend. Turn on the transmitter again, repair the unit, and continue flying. Disarming the engine. This is really important to switch them off all time. The first step is push the left stick throttle fully down and hold there for approximately 2-3 seconds, and the motor will stop spinning. The second method is push both sticks at the same time, left stick to the bottom right corner and the right stick to the bottom left corner, and hold them for 1 second, and job's done. The engine will stop spinning. The third thing is, after the drone is stable hovering position, press the button on the upside of the remote in the front side, and then the drone will slowly land. Motor will be automatically disarmed. Yeah. So, to the operations. If you perform this, you can go up and down easily. When the left stick, this is the throttle stick, is moved up or down, the drone will ascend or descend. If you are using the right stick, is moved up or down, the drone will fly forward or backward. If you're using the left stick again to throttle it, left or right, it will rotate. It will rotate the entire drone. If you're going to fly left or right, then use the right stick. Move them right or left. Easy. This is strafing. That means forward, backward trim control is easy. Left and right trim control is easy too. Awesome. If you have a low voltage protection, when the drone battery voltage is low, the drone indicator light will start flashing. After this warning, return your drone to the desired place and land it. And we have overflow protection. When the drone is in the air and the propellers collide with objects or become jammed, the drone overflow protection will be active and land the drone immediately. And if you're going to use the balance calibrations, place the drone on the flat surface, and after that push both sticks to the lowest right corner and hold them for approximately 2 or 3 seconds. The drone indicator light will start flashing quickly. Wait until the drone indicator's light stop flashing and turn solid again. The indication successfully balanced calibration. And a low high speed mode. That's easy to reach. If you're going to use the high speed mode, change to the speed by pressing the right button gently. And you will hear a sound. 2 beep sound means we are in high speed mode. 1 beep sound is in low speed. And if you perform a 3D stand, after the basic operation skills are mastered, we can start performing 3D stands with high speed mode. After reaching a certain height, press the 3D stand button. This is the top right button on the transmitter. And at the same time, push the direction stick, complete forward, backward, left, or right. The drone will perform forward, backward, left, or right 3D stand. awesome. That's easy to perform and awesome to see. It looks really nice. You have an obstacle avoid function. Obstacles avoid conditions are required. The drone must be in slow mode to achieve the obstacle avoidation function. We must avoid using the function outdoor or infrared interfaces, such as poor obstacle avoidance under strong sunlight or infrared light, or even loss of obstacle avoidance. And in the face of glass objects or dark objects, the drone has poor obstacle avoidance effect and even loses the obstacle avoidance function. The obstacles is in this case not so good. So take care of glass objects. If the drone is flying close to the ceiling, the drone will lose control. White objects are the best. There's no obstacle avoidance function in high-speed mode, okay? In order to avoid the malfunction of the infrared interferences, please do not operate two aircraft at the same time within 5 meters. And it's easy to land, easy to start, and it looks beautiful and performing to fly, as you can see in that video here. If you're using the height hold, use the left stick to achieve the desired height, and after allows the left stick to fall back of the default middle position, and the drone will height hold right there. Easy, really easy. The headless mode is easy. Turn on the transmitter, then turn on the drone, and then pair them. Calibration. When the headless mode, the forward direction may start deviating due to numerous crashes. Reset the forward direction and after push both simultaneously to the lowest left corners. The drone indicator lights will start flashing, and after 3 seconds it will turn solid glow, indicating successful is calibrated. Awesome. Then we can activate the headless mode. After successfully repairing the observers, the drone indicators lights, and wait until they are turned solid. Press the right stick and hold it for 2 seconds, approximately. The transmitter will emit 3 beeps, indicating headless mode is activated. Press the light stick again and hold it for 2 seconds. After the transmitter will emit a long beep indicators, then it is be deactivated. So take care of that. And when flying in the headless mode, it does not matter in which direction the front of the drone is facing. It will by forward, backward, right and left relative to the position of the pilot. And changes or modifications are not so good because it is specially equipped for this gear here. And you can see it works proper. And there are, if you have some crashes, there are so many accessory replacement parts on the market. No problem with that, okay? It's really easy. The dimensions, the drone length is 131 millimeters. The drone wide is 131 millimeters. The drone height is 45.5 millimeters. The motor size is 7. And the batteries are 3.8 voltage, 700 milliampere hours lithium polymer batteries. Awesome to flight, easy to flight, and the bad thing is the hand detection or obstacle detection mode. This is a Loolinn drone for all of us. It's a mini drone for indoor and of course for outdoor use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Goodbye, little drone.